If you think you're protected from termites by living on an island, you're really not. I'm Billy Rolison with Slug-A-Bug out on V.I.P. Island, taking care of one of our great customers out here. V.I.P. Island is a group of homes that's located in the Indian River. It's only accessible by boat. We were out here just a few months ago where we had an issue with drywood termites, so we had this home fumigated, and now we're back out here a couple months later to install a Trelona termite baiting system for the control of subterranean termites. We install the bait stations 10 to 12 feet around the perimeter of the home to protect from termites. The termites will come up, they will eat on the product that's within the station, they'll carry it back to the nest with them, feed everybody in the nest, and the termite colony is eliminated. If you're a termite in the middle of the river and think you're safe, Slug-A-Bug will get a boat and come out and find you.